get up on your feet. What you need to do is catch up with them. Bounce, man, get up on your feet and help me get it.
Under the cloak of darkness, a nightly battle often ensues in households across the UK as couples war over a double duvet. However, Scan could be easily solved by two single duvets, at least according to Scandinavian furniture giant IKEA. Scandinavians sleep better because they prefer to have a duvet each, often in the individual sleeper's preferred tog. The global chain's TOG-ether campaign suggests that nearly 50% of us suffer poor sleep because we're at the mercy of someone else pulling a duvet away from us in the dead of night. With women said to be the worst affected by duvet hogging, the chain's research says that many often retreat to the sofa for a good night's shut-eye. The company's drive to get people to sleep better includes selling two separate duvets in one bundle. Textiles leader at IKEA UK and Ireland, McSeveny, said, "Many of us find that not getting a good night's sleep is becoming a regular occurrence. Getting enough sleep is of utmost importance for us to remain healthy and optimize our well-being." This is why we have introduced this traditional Swedish sleep trend of using two single duvets instead of a double in UK stores for a short period, allowing couples to select a duvet from the bundle that suits them. Combinations of bundles include a 7.5 tog with a 12 tog.Duvets go on sale at UK IKEA stores on 27 January.